Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 best free Photoshop alternatives. Number 7. Krita. Krita is a free and open source software that lets you unleash your inner artist on your computer. Whether you're a budding illustrator, a comic book enthusiast, or a digital painting pro, Krita has the tools to bring your creative vision to life. Imagine having a digital canvas overflowing with brushes that mimic the texture of real oil paints, pencils, or even airbrushing. Krita throws in powerful brush stabilizers to keep your lines steady, even if your hand isn't. But Krita isn't just about painting. It's also sweetening for animation. Breathe life into your characters with frame-by-frame animation tools and onion skinning to visualize past and future frames. Need some help keeping your animation organized? Krita's got you covered with storyboarding features and even lets you write scripts directly within the program. And the best part, Krita is completely free and constantly evolving thanks to its open source nature. So whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting your creative journey, Krita is a fantastic and accessible tool to explore the world of digital art. Number 6. Canva. Canva is like an online design playground for everyone, whether you're a seasoned graphic artist or a complete beginner. It offers a treasure trove of pre-made templates for almost anything you can imagine, from social media posts and presentations to posters and flyers. No more staring at a blank canvas, overwhelmed by possibilities. Just pick a template that suits your needs and start customizing. The beauty of Canva lies in its drag-and-drop simplicity. You don't need any fancy design software or skills. Just choose your elements, fonts, colors, photos, illustrations, and move them around like magic. It's like playing with digital building blocks to create something beautiful. And if you ever get stuck, Canva has a library of tutorials and helpful guides to show you the rope. But Canva isn't just about pretty pictures. It's also packed with practical features. Need to collaborate with a team? Share your designs and work together in real time. Want to print your masterpiece? Canva has got you covered with high-quality printing options. And the best part, you can do all this for free. There's a generous free plan with millions of assets, or you can upgrade for even more bells and whistles. So, unleash your inner designer and see what you can create with Canva. Number 5. Inkscape. Inkscape is a free and friendly program for creating professional-looking designs on your computer. Imagine drawing anything you can dream up, from simple shapes and logos to detailed illustrations and diagrams, without spending a dime, unlike photo editors that deal with pixels. Inkscape uses a special format called vector graphics, which lets you scale your creations infinitely without losing quality. This means your designs can look crisp and clear no matter how big or small you need them to be, perfect for printing posters or uploading to the web. Getting started with Inkscape is easy, thanks to its intuitive interface and helpful tutorials. You'll find a variety of tools for drawing shapes, lines, and curves, as well as adding text, colors, and gradients. Feeling artistic? Play with different textures and patterns or use the built-in filters to create unique effects. Inkscape even lets you combine multiple objects and edit them individually, making it perfect for complex designs. So why not give it a try and see what you can create? With its open source nature and ever-growing community, Inkscape is the perfect platform for exploring your artistic side, free of charge. Number 4. Paint. Paint, a childhood companion and a handy tool for home improvement projects, is more than just colorful fun. This simple software, often pre-installed on Windows computers, is a gateway to creativity and practical applications. Whether you're a budding artist or a weekend DIY enthusiast, Paint has something to offer. Need to quickly edit an image, resize a photo, add text to a graphic? Paint handles these basic needs with ease. It's perfect for creating simple presentations, designing DIY labels, or crafting personalized greeting cards. Its accessibility and user-friendliness make it a go-to option for quick fixes and creative projects. So don't underestimate the power of Paint. It may not be the flashiest software, but its simplicity and ease of use make it a valuable asset for both young minds and creative endeavors. Remember, sometimes the best tools are the ones readily available, waiting to unleash your inner artist or handy helper. Number 3. Pixlr. Pixlr isn't just one program, but a whole playground for your photos. Imagine a web-based photo studio with multiple editing tools, all free and accessible from any device. That's Pixlr in a nutshell. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a curious beginner, Pixlr has something for you. Start with Pixlr X, perfect for quick fixes and creative tweaks. Want to add a fun filter or overlay some text? Pixlr has you covered. Feeling more adventurous? Pixlr awaits, offering layers, adjustments, and brushes for a deeper editing dive. It's no need to download anything. Simply open Pixlr in your browser and start uploading your photos. Edit on the go from your phone or unleash your creativity on your laptop. Pixlr even lets you import and edit PSD files, a feature not often found in free editors. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Pixlr offers a welcoming and empowering environment. With its intuitive interface and vast array of tools, Pixlr makes image editing accessible and enjoyable for everyone. So step into the world of Pixlr and unlock your creative potential, one edit at a time. Number 2. Photopea. Photopea might be your new best friend. If you're looking for a free image editor that packs a punch, imagine having Photoshop's features right at your fingertips without downloading a bulky program or spending a dime. That's what Photopea offers, all accessible through your web browser. This online gem lets you create and edit images, just like you would in Photoshop. Open and work with PSD files, the format used by professionals, or explore its vast toolbox for cropping, resizing, adding effects, and more. Whether you're a graphic design guru or a social media whiz, Photopea caters to all skill levels. Don't worry about your privacy either. Unlike some online tools, Photopea keeps your files safe on your device, never uploading them to the cloud, so you can unleash your creativity and experiment without fear. Think of Photopea as your portable, free Photoshop alternative. It's perfect for quick edits on the go, design projects on a budget, or simply trying out something new. So fire up your browser and say hello to Photopea, your gateway to the wonderful world of image editing. Number 1. GIMP. GIMP, standing for Image Manipulation Program, is a free and powerful image editing software available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Think of it as a free alternative to Photoshop, packed with features for photo editing, graphic design, and even digital painting. While it may seem complex at first glance, GIMP offers a surprising amount of flexibility for beginners and experts alike. You can crop, resize, and enhance photos with ease. Feeling creative? Experiment with layers, masks, and filters to bring your artistic vision to life. GIMP even lets you create your own custom brushes and textures, opening doors to unique artistic expression. One of GIMP's biggest strengths is its community. With countless tutorials, plugins, and resources available online, you'll never be alone in your editing journey. Whether you're stuck on a specific technique or simply looking for inspiration, the GIMP community is always there to help. So if you're looking for a powerful and free image editing software, GIMP is definitely worth exploring. With its vast features, supportive community, and endless creative possibilities, it might just become your go-to editing tool. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.